Social Studies, page 54, lesson Our School. Yes, one by one I will ask. Agrem, tell me, what is the name of your school?
Cathedral Senior Secondary School.
Tell me complete answer. Agrem, you tell the answer.
The name of my school is Cathedral Senior Secondary School.
Okay, beta, very good. Agrima,
Yes, ma'am.
in which class do you study?
Yes, ma'am. Please repeat.
In which class do you study?
I study in class first B.
Okay. Amira,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you do in the library?
We read many books in the library.
Okay, beta. Anika, Lavya,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Lavya, tell me who is your principal?
My principal, her name is Father Anil Bhaskar.
Okay, beta. Manvi,
Yes, ma'am.
in which class do you study?
In the class to study one
I?
I study class
Hmm.
D.
Yes, I study in class 1D. Musa,
Yes, ma'am.
fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. The principal sits in his or her dash. Office. Spelling of office.
Office.
What is the spelling of office?
O-double-F-I-A, office.
O-double-F-I-C-E. Yes, I-C-E will be the spelling of office. Okay, Musa. Naman,
Yes, ma'am.
we read books in the...
Library.
What is the spelling of library?
L-I-B-R-A-R-Y.
L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Okay, Pavki,
Yes, ma'am.
we play many games in the...
Ma'am, please repeat.
We play many games in the
Playground.
playground. Spelling of playground.
P-L-A-Y, play. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground.
Okay, very good. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
write 3 things we should not do in school.
We should not dirty the classroom in the school. We should not tear the books in the library. We should not write on the walls of in the school.
Okay, beta. Sara,
Yes, ma'am.
write 3 things we should not do in school.
We should not dirty the classroom in the school. We should not tear books in the library. We should not write on walls of the school.
Okay. Okay, Sarah. Tanishta. Tanishta is left. Okay, now Agrima. Agrima.
मैम यस मैम मैम मेरी टर्न कब आएगी यस मैम
Tanishta, wait, just wait. You had left, na? Yes, Agrima. Tell me, what is the name of your school?
My name of the school is Cathedral Senior Secondary School.
Spelling of cathedral.
One minute, ma'am. आपने बहुत नहीं आ रही है.
What happened, Agrima?
मैम मेरे टर्न कब आएगी?
Agrima, you are doing something?
Yes, ma'am. No, मैं आपको स्पेलिंग बताऊंगी टीचर सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल की.
Yes, beta.
EDRAL Cathedral.
Senior.
SENIOR Senior SECEONDAR
Secondary.
School.
Okay, beta. Very good. Very good, Agrima. Tanishta.
You ma'am.
Yes, Tanishta. Tell me, who is your principal?
My principal's name is Father Anil Parker.
Spelling? Tell me the spelling of Father Anil Parker. Father. What is the spelling of father? Tanishta. No, Sarah. Please wait, beta.
FADER
ANIL. Anil. Okay. Then Parker. P. Hmm. K. ER. Okay. Amira,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the spelling of principal's name.
Okay. The name of my
Principal is
FADHER father, ANIL Anil, PARKER Parker.
Yes, children. Spelling of Parker will be PARKER. In copies also, many have written AR. So please see, A nahi hai, E is there. Okay. Learn it. Learn the correct spelling. You are writing correct answers, children, but spelling mistake was there. That's why you should revise this thing also. Now Manvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manvi. Tell me, what do you do in the library?
In the library, read books.
आप ऐसे बोलोगे, we read many books in the library. This only I have written in copy.
Yes, ma'am.
So say like this only, beta. We read many books in the library. You have written this thing in copy. Learn the same thing. Okay, what your ma'am has taught you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In the ऐसे नहीं बोलना. In the library we read book. In the school we go to study. ऐसे नहीं बोला जाता. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, we read many books in the library. Simply you write this answer, okay? Lavya, Lavya, Lavya.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Pick the correct word or words. Teachers or doctors teach at school. Lavya, teachers. Now tell me, Lavya, what write 3 things we should not do in school. Lavya,
Teacher teach in school.
I'm saying write 3 things we should not do in school. What 3 things you should not do in the school? Lavya.
We should not dirty the classroom in the school. We should not try the books in the library. We should not write on the wall of the school.
Okay. Very good. Who said this answer? Lavya? You have learnt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, I drink water.
Yes, Agrima, go and drink the water. Pavki? Pavki?
I'm sorry.
Wait, Sanvi, again I will ask you. Mute your microphone. Pavki? Yes, Sanvi, tell me. What is the name of your class teacher?
My class teacher name is Mrs. Ashita Shukla.
What is the spelling of Ashita Shukla?
A-S-H-T-A.
A-S-H-I-T-A.
I-T-A.
Okay, and Shukla?
S-H-U.
K.
Shukla.
K-L-A. Okay, very good. Sara?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do in the library?
We read many books in library.
Okay, beta. Tanishtha? Tanishtha?
Ma'am,
In which class do you study?
I study in class 1B.
Okay, Rachita? Rachita? Naman?
Yes, ma'am.
Write 3 things we should not do in school.
We should not dirty the school. We should not tear the books in the library. We should not fight in the school.
Okay, very good. Musa?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is Cathedral Senior Secondary School.
Spelling of Cathedral Senior Secondary School.
C-A-T-H-E-D-R-A-L. Cathedral. S-C-N-I-O-R. Senior. S-E-C-O-N-D-R-Y. Secondary. S-C-H-O-O-L. Secondary School.
Okay, beta. Very good. Anika? Anika? Agrim,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Agrim, tell me, who is your principal?
Mr.
Mr.
मैं इसका नाम बताऊं?
Agrim, tell me complete answer, Agrim. Agrim, tell me complete answer.
The name of my principal is Father Anil Parkar.
Yes. What is the spelling of father?
Father.
Okay, Anil. A-N-I-L. Parker.
Parker.
Okay, beta. Very good. Now, children, this class is over. This chapter, festivals, we have again revised. And this chapter also today we have revised our school. Okay?
इसके बाद हम लोग की कौन सी क्लास है?
Now, children, after this will be your maths class. You can close your social study book and take out your maths book.